What is the trust your supplier version of that?
So TYS is really, you want to think about it as a 360 control center, right? So it's built in a network model. Right now, traditionally, every buyer asks for the same, asks suppliers for the same documents over and over and again. Some suppliers have, had to send over their W-9 so often they could do it blindfolded, right? So suppliers are doing these things so frequently, and there's a lot of frustration, low value work. And so what TYS is, it's a network, and a network that allows a supplier organization to create what we call it a digital wallet. It's really a supplier golden record. That's a common term in the industry now. And what we do uniquely, we think, is we take that supplier provided information, the firmographics about the supplier, all the various questionnaires we ask them to answer, the documentation like that tax document, like the certificate of insurance or whatever it might be, all their policies, whether it be a code of conduct or a data privacy policy or, whatever it might be. We store that in this digital wallet. It happens to be on blockchain technology in our case. And then we marry that with third-party information from these authoritative parties like D&B, Moody's, EcoVadis, Rapid Ratings, organizations like that we all know. So you can get the InfoSec, you can get the ESG, you can get the financial health. And then when you're in the Trust Your Supplier user experience under one pane of glass, you'll see all of that information about the supplier. And looking back at what we talked about a few minutes ago with intake, you can see that information before you even engage the supplier in some cases. So you can make decisions about onboarding or about sourcing before you actually get to a point of engagement with the supplier. So all of this is moving very fast in the industry. And we like to think that, our model helps organizations understand risk and make those very fast decisions in a low touch way as they move forward. And buyers, and what we call buyers, but basically the supplier's customer, are able to consume information in that wallet very quickly as it is available, and continually update it and continually validate it. So this is a huge value proposition for organizations.